Hi everyone, so can you come out of a junction in second gear? Let's get moving and I'll show you an example of a system that I use which will help to answer this question. I've always done a system called VSG, which is view, speed, gear. So a situation like this, for example, doesn't have to be a junction, a giveaway situation, a meeting situation. The view's poor, so the speed's low and the gear's low, as in 1. So it's VSG. View, speed, gear. I'll indicate right to show the car behind I am going quite soon. So when you get to a junction, you first of all look at the view and you think, is the view good or bad? If it's a good view, maybe come in second because your speed will be a little bit higher. Like now the view's quite good, so I'll go around these couple of cars, I'll brake a little bit, but the view's okay, so I'll stay in third and off I go. So a good view means a high speed, means a higher gear. A bad view means a low speed and a lower gear. This one is an excellent view, look at it. I can see loads to the right, I can see about 50 metres to the right, and I can see all the way to the left. So I can brake, second, pedals come up, there's no reason to come to one. I can see, I can look 2 or 3 times both ways. Easy, that was so easy. So the view was good, the speed could be higher, so the gear can be higher. So the answer is yes, you can come out of junctions in second, and it does depend to some extent where you are. Now where I am in Birmingham, there are not many you can come out of in second. The one at the end of this road, for example, you can do it, but it's not easy, and I wouldn't recommend doing it because the view is quite poor. You can barely see to the sides at all. So I'll do mirrors. I won't signal just yet, although this defence is blocking that road, it's not even built yet, the road. Bad view, low speed, low gear. First, look, gas clutch, off I go. Get the speed up, as I've said in my videos about being positive, and off you go. What about these lights? Could I turn right? So speed cameras turn right, or turn to its left. If this has stayed green, could I have done this in second? Well yeah, because it's a really good view. I'll come to one and roll. It's a really good view. I can see ahead. That's the wipers automatic, that's not me doing that. But I'm going to stop, handbrake. I'll stay in one because the light's going to change soon. So if they had stayed green, yes, I could have gone out in second. There's no rule that you have to come out in one. I'm going to stay in first gear now because I can't go anywhere. I'm going to roll up here. I'm going to keep the car moving, bit of gas clutch. Can I go in this gap? Nope, it's a little bit small. So I'll continue to creep just a little bit. And there's quite a few cars, so I should stop, handbrake. There's no point in over creeping. Creeping's great, but don't overdo it. If I creep and creep and creep, especially on a hot day, on a crossroads turning right, because on a hot day the clutch could easily overheat, and if you're going right you don't want to be creeping towards everyone coming towards you. So that's a great example where you would not do second in that situation. Let's have a look at the next one. So it's VSG, view, speed, gear. What's the view like on this junction? I know you can't see it just yet. Let's go back for these cars, coming quite fast. Bad view there, so I'll slow down, low gear. What's the view like to the left and the right here? Can you see? Can't see a thing, and I'm going to go left. So bad view, low speed, low gear. Come to 1. And this is the thing, when you get there you can see quite well. And when I'm teaching people to drive, they often say, but I can see. Here's the thing, yes you can see when you get there, but it's on the approach it matters. Like here, if I go next road on the right, so mirror signal, now I can't see too far ahead, so I'll brake, clutch, first because the view's poor, then go and get out of the way, accelerate, be positive, get out of the way, then second. So yes, you can come out in second, it's up to you to decide if the view's good enough and if you can carry enough speed, like the silver car's coming out the road there, yep, that's fine. If you can see both ways and you are doing a speed that second can be in, if you can be in second at speed, it's fine to go in 2. So I just cut that part of the video out because I got a bit stuck at roadworks for a while. But the end of this road is the same. The view is really, really bad. So I do mirror signal. I can't see a thing, so there's no way I come out this one in second. I've got to steer, then gear. Still can't see, creep, now I can, and off I go. There is also a crossing here with a school bike, so that's something else to be aware of. So yes, you can come out in second, but I don't recommend it very often. It's got to be an open junction. That is a junction you can see really well to the left and to the right before you emerge from it from quite far back. So hope that helps. Check out these other videos on the screen now, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.